Hello students, today we will learn chapter 2 whole numbers. So before we learn whole numbers, in the previous classes we have learned about natural numbers. So all the positive counting numbers starting from 1 are called natural numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, all these are natural numbers. So now let us see predecessor and successor. So if we add 1 to any natural number, we get the next number, right? So which is called the successor of that number. So adding 1, we get the successor. So we will consider the following example 5. So adding 1 to 5, it will be equal to 6. So 6 is the successor of 5. Similarly, if we subtract 1 from any natural number, we get the predecessor of that number. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So 4 is the predecessor of 5. So this is how we find predecessor and successor. But in natural numbers, there is no predecessor for 1. Because 1 minus 1 is 0. But 0 is not a natural number. So, the natural numbers along with 0 form the collection of whole numbers. So, whole numbers are the collection of natural numbers including 0. So, the 0 is the predecessor of 1 in the whole numbers. So, now let us learn about number line. To draw a number line, we need to follow a few steps. So, let us see them one by one. So, first draw a line and mark a point 0 on it. So, that is the first step we need to follow. Next, mark the second point to the right of 0 and label it 1. So, the distance between the 0 and 1 is called the unit distance. So, now you can mark the other points as 2, 3, 4, so on with the unit distance that we have followed for 0 and 1. This is how we draw the number line. Now let us learn how to perform addition operation on the number line. So we'll consider the following example 3 and 4. So in order to add 3 and 4, we'll start from 3 and make 4 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as our fourth jump is at 7, so the answer is 7. So 3 plus 4 is 7. This is how we perform addition operation on the number line. Next, let us learn subtraction operation on the number line. So, we'll consider the example 5 and 7. So, we'll subtract 5 from 7. We'll start from left for the subtraction and make 5 jumps. So, starting from 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, as our fifth jump is at 2, answer is 2. So, 7 minus 5 is 2. Next, let us see multiplication operation on the number line. So, we'll consider an example 4 and 3. So, in multiplication, to multiply 4 and 3, we'll start from 0 and make 4 jumps. Our first number is 4, right? So, we'll make 4 jumps starting from 0. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Using 3 units because 4 we need to multiply it with 3. So, 0 to 3 that is 3 units. Next 3 to 6, 3 units. 6 to 9, 3 units. And 9 to 12 we have 3 units. So, like this after that as at the time to the right as we reach to 12. So, 3 4s is 12. So, this is how we perform multiplication on the number line. Next, let us solve the exercise 2.1. First problem. We need to write the next 3 natural numbers after 10,999. So, the next 3 natural numbers are 11,000, 11,001 and 11,002. So, 11,000, 11,001 and 11,002 are the 3 natural numbers. Next, second problem. Write 3 whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. So, in order to get just before, we'll perform the precedence operation. Nothing but subtracting 1, we will get the just before number. So, 10,001 minus 1 is 10,000. From 10,000, we will subtract 1 again. So, we'll get 9,999. Now considering 9,999, we'll subtract 1 from it. So we will get 9,998. Hence 3 whole numbers just before 10,001 are 10,000, 9,999 and 9,998. Third problem, we need to find which is the smallest whole number. So 0 is the smallest whole number. Next, fourth question, how many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? We need to write down. So the whole numbers between 32 and 53 are 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51 and 52. So these are the whole numbers between 32 and 53. Fifth main, we need to write the successor of the following. So first problem, 24,04,701. So how do we find successor? We'll add 1 to get the next number, that is our successor. So adding 1 to 24,04,701 will get 24,04,702. Second problem, 1,199. So successor of 1,199 is 1,200. Sixth problem, we need to write the predecessor of the following. So first problem, we have 94. So to get the predecessor of 94, we need to subtract 1 from it. So 94 minus 1 is 93. Hence predecessor of 94 is 93. Similarly, second problem, we have 10,000. So predecessor of 10,000 is subtracting 1 from it, we get 9,999. Hence predecessor of 10,000 is 9,999. Next, seventh main, in each of the following pairs of numbers, we need to state which whole number is on the left of the other number on the number line, and also we need to write them with the appropriate sign that they are greater or lesser between them. So first problem, we have 530 and 503. We need to compare these numbers. So by observing, we can say that 503 is smaller than 530. Hence 503 will be on the left side of 530 on the number line. So 503, we'll write down the lesser symbol. So 503 is lesser than 530. Or you can even write it as 530 greater than 503. Similarly, second problem we have 370 and 307. So comparing these two numbers, clearly we can say that 307 is smaller than 370. So hence 307 will be on the left side of 370 on the number line. So 307 is less than 370. Now eighth main, which of the following statements are true and which are false, we need to write down. So first question, 0 is the smallest natural number. It is false because 0 is not a natural number, it is a whole number. So natural numbers always starts from 1. Next, second problem, we have 400 is the predecessor of 399. Is it true or false? It is false because predecessor means subtracting 1. So 399 minus 1 is 398. Next, third, we have 0 is the smallest whole number. It is true because whole number starts from 0. Next, 600 is the successor of 599. It is correct because successor means adding 1. So 599 plus 1 is 600. So the statement is true. Next, all natural numbers are whole numbers. It is true. So when we were studying about the whole numbers, we have seen that all natural numbers are whole numbers. Okay students, we have completed with exercise 2.1. Go through the video 2 to 3 times to get the clear understanding of the concepts. Thank you.